perfect. Okay, can you check your phone?
Ayan. Around.
Alright,
Around.
I'll
Nakacharge
check
ako eh.
my phone kung naka-live din ako. Man, this is cool. Okay. Welcome to TikTok Live.
Uriel!
Oh.
Ay, mali. Sorry. I'm excited for farming relics.
Yes, sir. Pa-check na lang. So,
Tara.
pa-check if naka-live ako. Oh, someone joined. Someone joined already.
Wait, so the more you open these relics, it gets,
It gets what?
nababawasan ganon.
Yeah, nababawasan siya kada gamit mo ng relic. You can farm for
Damn.
relics, but once you use them, mababawasan siya. Yep. Cool. Okay.
Because, like, I have 7 pieces of Lith E2 relic.
I see. 7. That's a lot, actually. Is it fine if you go through your phone right now and check if I'm live?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Just let me know.
Yeah, you're live.
Nice.
Relic!
Relic. Tara, tara, tara. Oh, it's so cool that I can see my screen while Okay, wait. Let me try
Okay.
to drag this on top like this. Yeah, it should be good. There we go. Tara. Just pick a spot and we'll go there. But alright. Haha. Earth. Sabotage. Saturn. Oh, I like these actually. We can go. Okay, go sa Sabotage 9-11 Grenier sa Leth Fisher. Cervantes Earth. Sa Earth.
Sabotage.
Yeah.
9-11.
Yep.
Tapos.
Oh wait, people are actually joining.
Dali!
Ay, sorry. Okay. Ano to? Do you have an 18 relic lith? An
Meron.
18. Okay.
I have 4 pieces.
Let's go for that muna. Yo, people are actually joining stream. That's sick. I like TikTok
Oh,
already.
shit. Dude, di mo pa ako na-invite.
Ay, shit! Sorry. Ay, gago na excite ako masyado. Wait lang.
Don't
Sorry,
forget to
sorry.
invite me.
Nah, sorry. Babalik ako.
You asked me to, like,
I'm gonna invite you.
avoid fishers and then you forgot to invite me.
My
Damn, bro.
sincerest apologies. Did you receive the invite? Or do I
Yeah,
need...
ganyan na ha.
Oy, sorry.
Unable to join though. See.
My bad. I'm going back. Alright. Jai.
Oh.
98 people viewed it.
That's fine.
Yeah, we're good. I'm gonna invite you. Holy crap, that's a lot of people.
Mission failed.
Okay.
Mission failed.
Because of the live settings. What happened?
Hindi ko pa ma-unlock yung newer eh. Para makakapag ng arcade. Sana sa this update there we go.
Yeah?
Maayos na nila.
Sana nga. Nakasali ka na?
Malapit na ako dun sa old world.
Yeah. Nakasali ka na ba?
Hindi po.
I invited you. Yeah,
My bad, chief.
no worries.
I didn't see that. Mataas daw ping ko.
Mataas ping mo? Kaya mo
That's
yan.
fine.
It's fine.
Tuloy ang laro.
Tuloy yung laro. Okay, so... N18 relics.
You should be
Yeah.
fine. Uh-huh. And then,
Okay. Come on.
9 to 11 yun, ano?
Yep.
That's N18.
Yep. N18.
Ay, pocket dito pa na. Hindi mo pala na ano.
Oh, okay.
Eh?
Oh no.
Op.
What happened?
I press exit, I guess.
Oh
My
no.
bad.
No worries. Ulit tayo. Yep.
No! Kulang.
I'm surprised it's not too laggy, I think. Maybe. There we
Don't
go.
jinx it, bro.
Yeah.
Don't jinx it, man.
I don't want to say
Do not.
anything. My
Don't
bad.
jinx it, man.
My bad.
In a few minutes, I might crash anytime soon, bro. What is this?
I have invited you.
Inverted chat. Failed to join session daw.
Stream. Ayun pala, may nanonood. Yippee!
Hindi pa ako nakaka-join.
Di mo pa na-accept?
Wait lang.
Di mo pa na-accept?
Failed to join daw eh.
Failed to join. Okay.
Oh.
Ang surprise pa.
Failed.
Failed. Bakit?
I don't know.
Let me invite you again.
Motherfuck! Bakit?
Failed to join.
Ayaw!
Try inviting me
Motherfuck.
instead.
Oh, hell no.
Try inviting me. Up.
Ayun. Tapos,
Failed to join
9
session.
to 11.
Bakit? Nasaan ka ba?
Hindi ko saan.
Sa ship mo?
Sa ship.
Yikes.
Wala ako sa Cetus.
Paano to?
Wag ng idol. Ayun. Na-failed to join. Eh, di wow.
Bakit kaya?
Wait lang.
Sige lang.
Start ako.
Okay. In the meantime, check natin yung kinacraft natin.
Stop kumano mo eh.
Mais. Prime Vault. 19 hours pa. Damn. Okay.
Ang dami ko na nakikita na ano eh. Spoiler sa ito, sa old piece.
Oh.
Kasi di ko
TikTok
mag-get
ba
yung
naman?
story na ano. Hindi ko pa kasi nalaro yung buong ano eh.
Yeah, I see.
Tara, invite.
Sige lang.
Dito na ako. I'm here.
Nice. Let me try inviting you again. Receive the invitation.
Bakit
Fail. Baka
fail?
sa akin, maybe? Okay. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna... Okay. Wait lang. Inviting
Hold on,
me.
let me try.
Okay. Fail to join mission. Okay. I'm gonna exit. Sandali. Okay, so that's gonna... that's gonna close. And I'm gonna reopen it. Buti it doesn't show
Defrosted.
anything sa ano.
Defrosted.
Defrosted indeed. Anyways, yeah. Okay. Let's see, let's see. Is it you?
The operator. Or just
Okay, or this. There we go. Opening again. It's really cool na ano, ikaw ba yung nagla-like?
yeah. It's farming. Joke lang.
It's kind of cool na you can see how many people na dumaan sa stream mo and stuff.
Yeah.
So, ganda pala yung experiences mo on going live sa TikTok.
I can. Yeah.
It's really cool. I like it. Okay, let me see if
And
it picks up.
it's also
Ayan.
fun to stream when it's on Twitch.
Yeah,
Random
it's really fun
you get random viewers doon.
Yes, true. But, for me, I don't know why, pero mas gusto ko TikTok in a sense because I can see kung ilan yung total na pumunta sa stream mo or something. For me sa
It's
Twitch
easier
kasi
to navigate on OBS or
it is.
any streaming platform.
Okay, let me try inviting you now.
Oh hell yeah!
Hell yeah. Yeah!
What up?
Did it fail?
It did fail.
No! Try inviting me. Ano kaya nangyari?
Hold on, let me see.
Hala.
Maybe it's because of it's because of the network, or maybe because we're laggy.
Network siguro, yeah. That's
Did
unfortunate.
you just join? Failed.
Aww.
Failed.
That's unfortunate.
Okay. Hold on. We can make it work. Hold
Yeah,
on.
we can make it work. Trust. This will take as long as it takes. It just work.
I need to play Warframe. I haven't farmed yet.
We need to play Warframe. Gotta get the daily grind in. Oh my god. I can't see that I'm live on my phone though. It's just kind of weird.
Huh?
I can't see na I can't see sa phone ko na live ako.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ano?
Imagine one of our professors gets recommended this live.
What?
Imagine isa sa mga professor natin na recommend na
Oh,
live na to.
hell nah.
Hell no indeed. Appear.
Disappear, one
hapon. Kanina pa no? Nawawalan na ng Okay,
no?
Ay ba na? Ay wait, ito pa. Ito pa. Sa pinakataas.
18?
No,
18?
9 to 11. Sa Earth. Cervantes. Okay, we're not making that joke on stream. I'm trying my best to avoid it. Ayan, okay.
On your best.
Shush. We don't talk about that. We
Nakalma ko
don't
na yung
talk
plastic.
anymore. Wee. Oh my god.
I can't move mine.
Nar.
It's depressing.
Ayan na, let's go.
Wait.
Sige.
Let me finish eating my corn.
Sure, take your time. I'm just gonna stand here. I'ma look at you.
There we go.
How you doing? Ay, shit. Ay, sorry.
What?
Pre, welcome to stream.
Let's get to it.
Hindi ko alam kung masyado malakas yung... sakto lang yung microphone ko on stream, no?
I think.
Okay. Void Fisher.
Where? Fisher, where?
Sa gilid mo. Ay, nakuha mo na. Ay, isa pa.
Ay.
Holy
Wait.
Ano yan?
Nakuha ba to? Hindi, akala ko nakukuha.
Sayang.
I thought I could get it.
Sayang. Void Fisher.
No, by Pet Simulators.
Pet Simulator ba naman?
What the hell is this? Wait, hold
Ito.
on. Let me scan something.
Ay, dito pala.
Uy!
Ano?
Oh, stomach cord.
Oh.
Ito, look. If you had a scanner, you can scan this.
Wait, balik
May
ako.
something lalabas.
Sige. Balik muna ako.
Cool, bro, then.
Ang layo mo.
I'm just nearby. You are far from me.
Ayun. Okay. Try
Over here.
Ano yung scan? Okay. Ano?
Huh?
Ano yung scan? Yan.
This one. The thing over here.
Oh, gene molds. Okay, that's cool. Marami ako nakikita ng ganyan pero hindi ko alam kung paano i-ano yun eh. Thanks for teaching me.
Okay.
I remember. Gets ko na. Yes. Ay, sumali yung ate ko.
Aray ko. Walang ano?
Ay,
Walang Ayatan Star? Ano ba yun? Boosh.
Ayatan Star?
Boosh. Napipick up ko yung mga ganun eh.
Oh?
Boosh.
I have no idea.
Pwede mo kasi siya i-trade sa ano? Sa Maruz Bazaar.
Oh?
Bazaar,
cool.
man.
Ay, naglalag. Okay yan, kaya yan.
I love Warframes.
Warframe good. Very good, very
Great.
nice. Very good, very nice.
Conscripts to work!
Sugod! Ay, Void Fisher.
Where?
Nalagpasan mo. Ay, ano yan?
Oh, request and... What?
Sino yung nag-live?
Where the fringe?
Nag-live siya. Okay.
No!
Ano na?
Let me kill them.
Let me cry.
Ay, di ko pala nalagay yung mods. Sayang.
Oh.
I could have tested
Ano to?
out.
Paano? Oh, shit.
What in the world
Hey, my
is
Void Fisher.
happening?
Okay.
Na-
Naghihingal yung ano ko. Frames
Electric
ko.
pan!
Electric pan.
No. This thing. Muntik na umano ng ano. Ay, ang bobo.
Naghihingal yung ano ko. Yeah. Kaya yan. Kare. Naghihingal. Wait nga lang. Patayin kita.
Na what?
Naghihingal yung FPS ko. Sandali lang.
This is having wars with my...
Warframe. Literal na Warframe, no? Alright.
War with my frames.
War with my
this.
frames. Nasaan yung graphics
Oh, hell
ko?
yeah.
Aray ko. Okay.
Ay, patola.
Patola.
Nag-FPS drop.
Quality low. Yan. Okay. Save.
Hold on.
Okay, try natin,
Keep the
try
Grineer down. Wait, let me nuke them. Wait, palapit mo. Keep them near.
Ano yan? Naglalag.
We're lagging because there are too many.
Warframes.
Tanananan, tanananan, tanan.
But
Tanananan, tanananan,
ew.
tanan. Uy, loyal
Ang
companion,
Ang
dang.
pangit na, no? Particles. What the hell? Didefend to, no?
Tanananan, boom.
Boom.
Ah,
Yeah.
talon.
Talon.
Boogs.
Boom.
Boogs. I'm having wars with the frames.
Warframe.
With frame. Kinagat ng oso. What the hell is going on?
Hala.
Nag-FPS drop na ako.
Ala, nagbigay na
Very good.
rose. Alam yun, alam mo yung mga streamer na thank you for the rose.
Ay, yung
Dami-dam.
ganon. Oo, buisit si ano eh. Naalala ko yung may nagbigay sa akin ng rose, sabi sa ni DM. Thank you for the rose.
Aray ko.
No! Naglag! No!
Ay, wait, naglag.
Nagano yung ano ko.
Ala.
I'm still alive though. You can see my corpse.
Yeah, nakatayo ka lang dun.
Can you see if I move? Parang.
Ay, yes. Gumagalaw
I
ka.
am moving.
Gumagalaw ka. Pero
Dude, guide me.
ay,
Dude, guide me.
ay, sige, balikan kita. Para naman maging worth it ang ano natin. Ayan.
Dude, guide me, bro. I don't know where the hell
okay.
I'm going.
So...
Purpose.
Okay. Nakikita mo sarili mo?
Holy shit.
Kita mo sarili mo?
Yeah, I think, oh my god.
Go left.
Left?
Yan.
Nagumalaw. Nag-idle
Ano yung
animation.
Okay, kaya mo
What the
yan.
hell?
Kaya mo yan. Ala, saan ka?
Galaw! Galaw! Galaw!
Galaw! Nakatayo ka lang.
Galaw!
Ano to? May umibig sa akin. Okay, kaya mo yan.
What
Punta
happens
lang
if I get killed? I think they can't kill me because of my conscripts.
Yes. Hindi ka mamamatay. Nasaan ka?
Very good, very nice.
Saan ka? Nag-disconnect ka?
I can't. Yeah, I disconnected, I think.
It's okay. Tapusin ko muna.
That's fine.
Ay, ayun na nga. Nag-host migrate na nga.
No!
Babalik naman ako eh.
Shut up,
Yawn.
bitch.
Ay, tapusin ko na muna to. Tapos invite na lang ulit kita afterwards.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Ay, naglag.
I hope they fix this, this error.
I do hope it. I mean, beta pa naman sila. Ay, shit.
Ay, beta pa rin natin
Fuck.
sila even after,
Buong naman.
13 years of
Oo nga eh.
Uy, pwede ako, wait.
Pwede,
Ay, wait.
kaya mo?
Damn it, hindi.
Hindi, okay. Tapos na naman Yawn.
Yeah. Wala akong tuloy, piste.
Hindi, makakakuha ka siguro na rewards doon.
Uy,
Regardless if you failed or leave
mission
the mission.
complete. Ano
or,
nakuha mo?
ito. Yung mga ito. Void traces.
Harrow! Chases! Wait.
Common lang yan.
Hindi. I need that kasi so I can craft harrow.
Yeah, you've crafted, you've gotten it a lot naman na. Hoy, ano yan?
Ay, hindi. Ay, oo nga, may chassis na pala ako.
Yung ate ko. Hoy, wait lang. Ali.
You've been
Ala.
bombarded.
Ala. Ganyan ba pakiramdam na nagagiftan?
Yeah?
Eh?
Anong eh? Anong eh?
Title gifter.
Napahin kita dyan eh.
Ay, gagi, sumali si ano. Ayun. Gagi, pareho kayo sumali. Hello po.
Ha?
Ito yung mga sumasali sa live.
Oo.
Yeah.
Tara, ito pa!
Magkano kaya katambas niyan? Thank you sa Thank you sa gift. Pang ano ka yan? Pangbaon ko yan sa Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Invite ulit, no?
Ay, Tuesday ba? May pasok tayo.
May pasok ba?
Di ba
Ay!
wala?
Ay, wala!
Baliw!
Wala!
Holiday!
Holiday! Aray.
Eh,
Anong eh? Sino pa yung nasa stream? I love it.
shotgun, fatal, sana ba?
Thank you sa gift. Thank you
Corpus,
sa mga gift.
tactical,
Yan, invite mo na kita sandali. Wait lang.
shredder, impact, broad eye,
Broad eye.
wow. Asan na ba?
Go live for 30 minutes. Ayun. Fairness, mas gusto ko talaga sa TikTok. Hindi ako bias, pero it feels more, mas maluwag in my opinion.
Bro,
Yeah. Okay, anyways.
only if kung okay pa please namin, I would still continue live.
Yeah, that would be
Lala na
absolutely
si-
amazing.
Hihihi.
Yeah. Sayang nga yung
As Warframe sa stream ko.
Oo. May potential yung PC nyo. Kaso, hindi masyado inalagaan.
Eh,
Bleh.
tara.
Tara. Benos. Tara, Benos.
Benos.
Napuntahan mo na?
Hindi pa, akala ko ikaw yung host.
Oh. Wait. Hindi ba pareho tayo pupunta doon or... Okay.
Eh di pupunta sa Venus.
Benos.
Ato 11 minutes.
Let me see. Yes. Benos and then... Ano ba to?
I have 7 E2 relic. Yung late. Tara, yun na lang.
Yung ano?
Tara, yun na lang.
Ay. Sige.
Whee! Hindi ko magalaw yung akin. Ang daya.
Hello?
Ay di wow.
Anong edi wow? Anong edi wow?
Maganda yung cosmetics,
Sa'yo rin naman, tiga mo.
Ay,
We.
iba yung naging itsura ni Lotus simula nung ginawa ko yung yung part nung kay Balas.
Oo.
I was so
Yun, Void Fisher.
I was so mad when she changed.
Ayun nga eh.
Fudge you, Balas! Fudge you, Balas! Use it to crack open a relic.
Eh.
Oh. Tagoosh.
Boom.
Come here, bro. Power cell, power cell.
Patty cake with
Tama na! Tama na! I don't wanna hear that shit. It's stuck in my head. I hate it.
You forgot it once, I'm gonna let you remember.
Ano nga yun?
Ano
The
yan?
color of my stool is turning.
Pause.
Tingnan mo.
The color of my stool
Ano
is
to?
turning red.
Wait, bantayan natin to isang to
Yeah.
work.
To work.
Boom. Kablam.
Kablooey. Ay, full na pala. Okay, so pupunta ako sa isa.
Yun lang.
Bilis ko masyado. Laga. Yawn.
6, 7.
Ulul.
Boosh. Look what we found. I did not see anything.
Ako yung nakahalap.
Look what we found. You do not sense to play. I
Ayun
can
na nga.
nuke. Joke lang. Dito nuke. Anyways.
Punta ko sa isa.
Where?
Over everywhere. Ala na to.
Go my pet simulator. Oh, what the hell?
The color of my stool is turning red. Okay.
Alin?
Sino yung naka-stream?
Gago
Si
palobat
Bossing.
yung isang extraction nun. Tarantado.
May dinonate ka?
Anong dinonate? Wala pa akong dinonate eh.
Ah, wala ka pa dinonate. May points ka kasi. May points ka sa stream ko.
Oh. Ano
Yeah.
ba to? Inano
Dahil
ko
siguro
ya.
sa
Yung
paglalike
B.
or so.
Oh, Lord.
Get it. Yun.
Saksakin.
Saksakin. Hindi pa umabot. Boom.
5.
Boom.
Ay.
Hey.
Ano to? Ba't may isa pang dig site?
Ah! Nalaglag ako.
fuck?
Hindi ko alam kung saan. Saan? Ayun.
Ayun no, may C.
Hindi mo kailangan tuloy yan? Yung... Uy.
4.
Ano yan?
Ano to? What
Ayoko yan!
happened? Oh.
Ayoko yan!
Uy! Uy!
Edi wow.
Daikyuu Prime Blueprint!
Edi wow.
Damn!
Edi wow.
Dali, isa pa.
Sige na nga. Okay,
Damn!
Ay, pwede pala tayo pumili na kahit anong gusto natin dito. Yeah. There we go. The Tito Relic. You know what? Yeah, I'm going back. Going back to Honolulu.
Honolulu just to get the... Uy, may halaman!
Halaman.
Ay, putek, kinuha mo. Ay, hindi. Frost leaf pala to. Yay!
Basta herbalist, no?
No! Ano na naman?
Nag-glitch?
Nag-glitch na naman.
Oh no. Ang daming tao, shit.
Right after you, use your speed thing, bigla siya nagganon.
Where? Wala.
Yung bumibilis ang takbo.
Oo. Pati rin ako naglalag eh. Pero ano ko lang, tapusin ko lang to. Mag-extract na ako.
Biglang, alam mo yung nakita natin kagabi, yung siya pixel
Oo,
na purple. Nagganon siya ulit. Tapos nag-stuck na.
Ang eerie ng ganun. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Real.
The color of my stool is turning red.
I can't die. These conscripts are doing their work.
Ay! It shows that you're in the game pa rin. Kaya nangyari. Extracting in 40 seconds.
Wait, let me die. Hold on. let me die.
Sige lang. If I run the sky.
Buhay pa rin yung Uriel. Damn, I'm still alive. Holy shit.
Inaano ko eh. They're keeping you alive. Yung conscripts mo.
Bruh. And extracting 3, 2, 1. Wala.
Ito reach. Range. Duo.
Defrosted. Defrosted.
35 minutes stream.
Nagawa ko ngayon ano eh.
2
Ang
hours.
ideal, 4 hours talaga.
Damn.
Yeah, 4 hours ako nagsistream. Kung naalala mo yun dati.
Yes. Whenever I stream on YouTube dati or something like that, ang ginagawa ko, yung ideal length ko is around 2 or 3 hours.
Oh.
Yeah. I mostly stream
Ginagawa ko
Roblox.
4 hours eh.
Kasi madali ako tamarin eh. And whenever tatamarin ako, I just, end stream. Because why not? My dog is scary as hell. I don't know. Like, I could be just like spacing out randomly, forgetting that I have a dog.
Yeah.
It just walks in front of me, tas...
Yay!
Yeah,
Items
yeah.
dropped during your extraction have been retrieved for you.
Oh.
Oh my god, thanks. Thanks,
yeah.
Ordis.
Yay.
I got the prime, Daikyu, ba yun, Daikyu?
Point blank.
Ano yun? Bow. The bow.
Oh.
Yung prime. Kailangan ko, oh my fucking god.
Okay, let me see what prime stuff I have.
I need the Daikyu prime upper limb and lower limb.
Oh.
Hell nah. Now I gotta farm for these.
Sevacot prime system.
Hell nah. Saan nga yung Daikyu relic? Ay, Daikyu ano?
Zoran prime. I need that. That's so cool. Oh,
Paris.
Need 40 pa lang.
Paris. Wala. Ayun, ito. May D7 relic ka na lit.
D7 na relic. Let me go to my navigation sandali. Wait lang. Actually, invite muna. There we go. Invited.
I'm depressed. I gotta farm for the parts now. Curse this.
There we go. Saang Void Fisher.
I don't know kung ano meron.
Okay. We're
Sa
doing
lit, siya.
Lith Fisher. Tatlo yung Lith Fisher.
Kahit alin.
Okay. I'm choosing. I choose you. I don't know. Sorry.
I chose you, Pikachu.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Ordis will. Ang cute ni Ordis. Ah!
Choose Earth.
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 Ay, ba't si operator gago?
Earth. Okay. Ano man na?
Oh, tapos
Do the
D7. May Daikyu Prime na dun eh.
D7? Go. Tara. Let's go.
Yan, hinahanap ko yung...
We need 2 of those.
Nahanap ko yung
I wanna crash
yung lower
that.
limb nung bow. Kaso wala ata ako nun. So I gotta farm for more relics. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan ako makakapag-farm ng relic.
The fuck is a low cortisol? Anyways. Let's go.
Nandito na si Golfagor.
Pogi mo, pre.
The fuck, pre.
Oh, shit,
I'm
oh, shit.
lagging. Tana naman tayo sa
Ay, sorry. I won't use it.
Where? Cash? Where?
It's a different type of cash.
Cash where? I don't care the risk. I need the money.
It's a different type of cash.
Burn.
Okay, what did they drop? They dropped nothing. Okay. May nalagpasan kong fisher.
Right. What?
May nalagpasan kong fisher.
Ayun na.
Binalikan ka na.
3.
One. Okay, there we go. Meron pa isa dito.
Boom, patay.
Boom! Panis! Ay, sorry.
Asan yung Grenier cache? I need it!
Speed! I need... Ano to?
I don't know.
Insert antitoxin. What do I need? Oh shit. Oh, there we go.
Bagoogs.
Bagoogs.
Ay, Ayatan Star. Ayun. Give me that shit, bruh.
Nice.
Weird ass noise.
Set the injector into overdrive to incinerate the toxin.
Okay, you got this.
Hey!
Okay,
Unstable overdrive.
protection ulit. Let's go.
While it melts down.
Keep the Grenier at bay. Let me kill that. Let me at him!
Let me
You've
cry,
been a
let me
pain in my
cry.
ass for a long time. Oh shit, malalaglag ako.
Pause in my ass.
1, 2.
The color of my stool is turning red.
Nasaan yung cash? Nasaan yung cash? Nasaan yung cash?
Where is it? Where is the
Nawawala
cash?
yung cash. Ano ba yan? Nasaan? Tell me your money, bro. Let me rob you. Nasaan yung cash? Bruh.
You just destroyed a massive
Oh shit.
Grenier toxin. Good work. Get to the
Nice.
Pwede wow.
There are
Ako
still
nga.
undiscovered supply caches in the area. You may want to locate them before you leave.
Nasaan? Did it give me the location? How am I supposed to get that? I hate this shit. You know what? Oh, fuck you. Ah! Nalaglag ako. Ano ba yan? Savagot Prime Blueprint.
No, it's expending all my fucking bullets. I'm not clicking. Stop it. Ah.
He is tweaking. Whoosh.
Intruder.
Gemini Cross.
Gemini Cross. Amen.
Tapos meron akong 19 Void Traces. Eh di wow. This is getting ridiculous.
Pause in my ass. The color of my stool is turning red. I'm losing my shit.
This is getting ridiculous! Ano ba to? Fisher ulit. Myth. Ay, myth. Lit. Ano mo?
Lit Fisher.
Lit.
Sure thing. What do you wish
I'm
to
depressed. I need to farm for that stupid ass.
Ano, kailangan mo
Oh
ba?
my god, ang ganda kasi ng bow if you saw that.
Yeah, I did
It's
see it.
depressing.
Okay, let's see what we have over here.
It's so depressing. Wala! Wala! Na!
Wala ako.
Hindi ko yung wala ako ng ano.
Wala ko yung sa dual axe.
May Wisp Prime? Damn.
Okay.
Wala yung ano, wala akong part nung.
Do you wanna go for
Yawa.
A1?
A1.
A1.
Abay, A1 ko.
Di ba yun yung sa Avatar?
Si A1 gago.
Ano?
Kaya pala, may Kuva Fortress. May iba pala. And this, ano tayo, may Neo ba? I have 3.
Ano yun? Saan
Ina,
tayo?
nakita ko na yung Daikyu.
Saan ba tayo?
Ay lang.
Sige lang.
Nainahanap kasi ako ng ano eh. Yung part no, ano, nung bow. So, Neo Prime. Ay, ano ba? Neo. Ayun. Bubuksan kita para mabuksan. Sana. I manifested shit. Kailangan ko yung ano, lower limb. Upper limb. Kahit yun na lang. Kahit yun na lang. I hate this stupid game. It makes me farm for this shit.
The color of ice tool is turning red.
Neo. Neo, di ba yun yung singer?
Di ba yun yung character sa Valorant?
Neo, yung tanga.
Ay, sorry.
Yaw.
Yawa! The color of ice tool is turning red.
Buti hindi pa nakakita ni Yabot yung live mo.
Busy yun. Rambak yun.
Wamp, wamp.
So, masabihin ko sa JC.
Eh,
Hehe, papanood nila tayo.
uy, ba't kumukonekta yung ano, brain cells mo sa akin?
Vital to enemy operations is to
Bakit?
find them and capture them.
Eh, no, may linya something.
May linya. Alam mo yung ano?
There are void fissures in
Yung quote-unquote connection line na red line.
Ah, ayun.
Yes.
Trantado.
Ay, sorry.
target located.
Kantado. Saan? Dito.
Ah, saan yung ano? Hoy, halika dito, tangano mo.
Don't forget the reactant. You need one to open that battle.
Oh, the tenor.
Stay focused. There's a heavy unit approaching.
Nasa si Idol. Halika dito, hoy. Halika dito, hoy.
Hoy.
Nasa si Idol.
Track them down quickly.
Halika dito, sasaksakin kita. Joke lang. Let me kill you, bro. Let me... Rah! Got him. Scream from me, bro. Ah!
The captain has been escorted
Laglag ako.
extraction point. Well done.
Tentado.
Change of plans. Ignore your original objective. Leave nothing.
Ay, yung ano, leave nothing alive. Saan na lang pala galing yun? Now this is a challenge. Ha 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 ha. Mercy. Tayo na mo. Tayo na mo.
Okay. There we go.
Holy shit.
The color of my
IGN, gusto mo marinig yung voice line niya pag ano. Pag namatay siya.
Oh, pwede naman.
Let me die. I'm almost dead. Oh, hell na. Nag-glitch na naman.
No. I love how your character said pathetic.
Ano ba, bitch?
Oh, namatay ako.
Si Sir gumagawa ng quiz na. Yung billboard. Sige, yung billboard. What happened? I don't know what happened. Close one, naglag nga tayo. Gago ka ba? I'm depressed. Let me just reconnect again. Kundi dahil sa update nilang Old Peace. Di ako maglalaro nito eh. Ayun na kasi ni Rhodes eh.
Corpus walkers are heading to your location.
Visit kasi yung blue na Orikin dyan eh. Curse the blue Orikin right there. O tapos na, wala na. Wait, I think I can reconnect. You're still there?
Yep.
Oh my god.
I see your buddies.
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
Where's
hi.
the bitch? Uy.
Stay focused. There's
What?
a heavy unit approaching.
Fly away, fly away. Wala nang papatayin. Ano ba yan? Aray. There is nothing to kill. Damn it. Never mind, there is.
Broken their ranks in their army run. Another successful mission.
No, I don't wanna.
Nag-stop pa yung stream ko.
No?
Have you checked?
No?
Can you check?
Wait lang. Kill me, bro. Ano lang patayin. Anong forma blueprint na naman?
I need that!
No!
Ah!
I don't need it! I don't need it! I need the lower limb of my fucking bow. Fast deflection. No. I just wanna say inside. Just wanna see the sort of my face now.
Well, that was cool.
Di ko nakuha. I did that. I did that shit.
Speed, I need this. Are you not?
Wala nang ano, Neo.
Can you still see my stream if you go to it?
Hold on, let me see.
Okay.
I fucking hate this shit. Bruh.
Oh, what's that?
Nautilus. बताओ मैं Nautilus.
Naughty, naughty.
Naughty, very naughty.
Ay, nako.
I don't like this shit. Ah. This shit. Naka-live ka pa rin.
Okay, cool.
Bruh. 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 Ano, ba't nakalagay Roblox sa ano? Gago ka ba?
Roblox saan?
Oo.
Roblox saan?
So may ano yung content mo daw.
Roblox?
Oo, nakalagay Roblox.
Pabayaan mo na yan. Ayusin ka na lang after stream.
Ay, sorry. Ano to? Bakit kasi Paris? Putang na mo. Argon. Yeah, go tell him, bro. Meso. Ayun, Neo. Tangina mo. Tangina mo.
Saan tayo?
Neo.
Ayun yung kumakanta.
Wala na yung ano.
Isang Neo? O isang Void Fisher?
Sa ano? Ito.
Sa ano? Ito.
Ito. Shut the fuck up. Ayan.
Ay, ano pipiliin mo? Mio.
Hindi ko nakita
Dalawa lang yung Neo ko eh.
Kailangan ba matching yung relic?
Oo.
Steve. Pal.
Jackie.
Wala, di ko nakita. Yung kanina ulit. Ano yun? Neo. C7. I'm serious. C7.
C6 lang meron sa akin, ta C9.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
C7.
C7!
Naubusan ka na agad.
Wala naman talaga akong ganun eh.
Tara, mag-farm tayo sa relic. Saan ba pwede mag-farm?
Sige.
Kasi di ko alam kung saan.
Ayun lang. Same. I don't know.
Search mo dali.
Eh.
Okay.
Mm.
Lol. $50 to $60. Tara. Wait. Ano
Hindi
ba
ko
to?
pa na-unlock yan.
Ay, hindi ba pala? Oopsies.
I'ma give back.
I'm a bitch. My name's Robert.
I'ma
Ay, ano kay
give-
Road? Ay, kay Road tuloy.
Karol
Kay ano?
Lion.
Lion. Nasara ko na yung gate. Sige, play mo.
Naka-plane. Ikaw yung ano.
Ay, my buds. Yeah! Tara.
Tayo na nga. Nagsimula na po.
Kukunin na niya yung kay Lion.
Ayun. Nagsimula na po ang paglakbay ng dalawang tukbol.
Takmol. Ulul. Mas mabilis yung ano ko.
Utak mo?
Mas mabilis yung
Edi,
ship
wow.
ko. Ano yan? Ba't may connected na ano?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Oh? Nakakonect ako.
You must deliver payloads and defend a number of locations.
Nako, Jai
Ayoko nga.
ko. May sinasabi.
Be prepared for
Ha?
resistance.
Nako, may sinasabi.
Ako na naman. I'm gonna die. Good luck sa frames ko.
Warframe.
Ouch.
Here is the terminal.
Very sassy. Ay, wait
So-
nga. Try ko nga magpapatay.
This will take a moment.
You don't have to do anything.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him eat this shit. Come on, bros. Land a hit. Land a hit. Come on. Land me a hit. Just a single motherfucking hit. Ay, namamatay sila. Ako hindi.
Jai, di ka malikod mo. May tumitira. Ah.
Ay, nila patayin.
Ah.
They died! They died!
Aura farming. Maangas ka ah. What the
Ay,
heck?
nila patayin. Ay, nila patayin. Come on, bro. Kill me. Just standing here, you stupid. They are hitting my pets.
Sino? Wala silang pake sa'yo.
Terminal spotted. Upload me and prepare
Wait.
to defend.
I need to kill my...
Not until now.
I wanna hear him scream na... Ah! Me! It sounds funny.
Gusto mo next mission, tanggalan mo siya ng buds.
Tatanggalin ko ngayon nagyayelo ano yung kagat eh. Ayun na.
Madaya kasi madaya.
Palapitin mo kaya sila sa akin.
Still working on it. Continue to defend.
I need to be damaged. I need the damage. Kinakain talaga sila ng alaga ko. Tantado.
Area completed. Move on.
Ayan na. Ayan na, dumadami na sila. Yes! Kill me! I mean damage me, bros. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Aray.
Location reached. Drop me in and defend our position. I'm in, Tenno. This
Wait, let them kill me. Wait lang. Nag-aura farming lang ako dito. Ayun.
Stay focused. There's a heavy unit approaching. Still working on it.
Yeah, that should be able to kill you.
Yeah, I think.
Yung may mga power up. Ayun oh, may...
Ayan yung may
mga
bombs. Ayun, ayun,
nagmamachine gun
ayun,
sa'yo.
yes. Yes. Kinakain talaga siya ni ano. Nung isa.
The odds are against us, Tenno, but we did it. Mission complete.
Nice.
I could just stand here and just...
Bumalik na naman yung ate ko.
Aray.
Yan.
Ang hina ng baril nila.
Wait lang, kausapin ko lang ate ko.
Okay.
Ano siya, pwede mo siya laruin sa ano, iOS din. Sa tablet pwede. Hogwarts Legacy, dinulit ko na. Masyado malaki sa space. Naglalag. Boses ko. Ay, la. Ano naman, pwede ko naman siya, pwede ko naman siya i-download ulit whenever. Yeah.
What is this? Ano ba?
Hindi naman malakas yung boses ko sa Discord, no?
Ha?
Sakto lang naman yung boses ko sa Discord, no?
Yeah.
Alright. Nasa ano na ako nasa extraction na ako.
Sige lang, I'm trying to find some Grenier.
Sige lang.
Focus. There's a heavy unit approaching.
Gusto ko na ba?
Pinapatay siya ng alaga ko! No!
Ayun, malagan kita. Saan ba yan? Layo mo pa rin.
Come on, Ross!
Ay, hindi ko mabuksan yan. Nice.
Where is everyone else? Lana.
Try extraction.
Lana. When?
Yeah, ubos na.
Where?
Dito pa rin ako yung gallium.
Yung?
Gallium.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. Tingin ko ata dito. Boogs. Wala ng Grenier na.
Got about
I heard
30
one. I heard
seconds.
one.
Yeah, 23 seconds.
Bah.
Yippee!
Another job well executed.
Anong pistol gambit? Ano to? Ah.
Ayun, nakuha ko na yung
Okay.
ano. Eh, that's cool. Stardust.
Reward already
Ayun,
received.
glyph.
Anyway.
Cool. Orokin reactor.
May more fix na ako.
Hehehe.
Ay, ako nung ano.
Hmm?
More, ano to, form? Dami ka ng blueprint na.
Saan ba yung ano ko? Pinaka... Paano i-equip yan, no?
Yang.
Yung profile thing. Oh, there we go. Kita ko na.
May more pa na naman ako. Tara, try nga natin i-farm yung Argon Crystal sa Void.
Sige lang. Give me a second though. Ayun, nahanap ko na. Yippee! That's cool. Okay. Argon Crystal. Ikaw na lang pumili ng kung saan. Ay, actually, sabihin mo muna sa akin kung saan. Baka
Ay,
kasi
Nautilus.
I might not be able to access it.
Oh.
Yeah, kasi baka nakalock pa sa akin. Anyways.
Ang cute ni Ana nila. Tatlo nga yun sila. Inaantay ko yung kay Rose eh. Meron ako. Wait lang. Ayan yung kay Marie.
Meron ka na?
Oh, yung kay Marie. Uy, what is this? Ay, wait. Akala ko na-unlock ko na.
Oh.
Ayan!
Hmm.
Ayan o.
Ay, that's so cute!
Si Robby sa gitna.
That's so cute. Ba't mukhang Harry Potter yung character mo? Tapos sakto pa sa kulay ng pants. Gryffindor.
Bruh.
My bad. Okay. Ang cute. Keep that. Keep that.
Anong keep that?
Shh, 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 shh. Keep it.
Anong keep that?
Keep it. That's cute.
I
I'm
want the
screenshotting it.
Christmas rose.
No, I was gonna screenshot it. Yeah, let me screenshot it sandali lang. It's super cute. I love it. Wait lang.
Meron nga ano eh. May pixel ano dito, Arthur. Glyph.
Ay, mga pixel art
Cute.
stuff. Okay, let me just keep it sa Discord natin. Cause why not?
I want the road.
I want your love and I want your revenge. I don't wanna be friends.
I don't wanna be friends. Offering. Ayoko nga.
What's up a romance? Wait lang, TikTok.
Bakit? Ano meron kay Suda? Ah!
Okay, no.
Yay!
Cool.
Uy, relic pack. Yo! Cephalon Suda. Walang ano, Ben?
Oh, I can edit the live info. Okay. It says
They
na
call
I
me.
am playing Roblox. Yun nga.
Yeah, you are playing Roblox.
Warframe. Ayun. Ayun na, nagpalit na. Ayan.
Oh,
Thus, I will now put you as a moderator.
no.
If ikaw ay mahahanap ko dito.
You wouldn't.
I did.
You son of a bitch! Asa na ba? Ano nga
I
gawin mo?
have added you as my moderator.
Ay! Gian, try mo nga gawin yung quest na ikaw lang mag-isa. Yung main quest.
Sige lang. Sige lang.
I'ma watch your stream.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try to do a...
Natamad na ka.
Natamad ka.
Nag-drain na ako da.
Yun nga lang.
Ano? What? I want you cry, mommy. I want you what? Aray ko. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Ba't ka nasa fortune na?
There's no over, master.
Hey!
Ay,
Hey! Hey! Ba't ka nasa fortune na?
I have no idea. Is this URL? No, it's not URL. Honestly, wait. Where do I need to go?
Ano ba? Ano ba nakalagay sa ano mo?
Quick geology lesson.
Nope. No, thank you. Okay. Should I? I'm leaving for tuna. Yeah. Century tuna.
Wal!
I want you low and I want you. Sabi daw ng friend ko, yung Neptune, this is, no, it's either Neptune or, ito si Neptune nga. Every Warframer hates this world daw. Kasi puro tubig. It's the equivalent of Golden Wasteland.
Dang.
Ay, nako. Ano ba? Ano ba pwede ko gawin? Should I finish the ano? Okay, I'm gonna do this quest. Wait lang. Quest. Yon. Okay. The War Within.
The war within.
Naman na. Completed. Okay, saan ba to? The secondary ito. Ruby Paradox.
Hindi yan.
Saan niya sunod?
Saan na ba? Ano ba yung na-complete mo na? Tingin nga, wait lang. Taas. Konti. Ano kayo sunod yun? Baba. Ano yung last? Once away. Alam ko, ano eh. Ah, saan na ba? Hindi eh. Nasaan ba? Taas mo nga. Hindi ka pa sa old piece eh. Ano ko dati sa War Within ka pa lang. Or ano? Yan. Try mo i-check yung ano, yung requirements.
Saan requirements?
Yan. Ayun o. Mababaliw ko sa Chains of Harrow. Hindi ko nga alam ba't ganyan eh. Second Dream Quest, Neptune. So you gotta complete Neptune papunta ng Pluto. Ganun talaga. I earned it the hard way though.
Ulul, natapos mo lang eh.
I earned it the hard way.
Natapos mo lang.
Natapos ko lang. I worked hard for that junction. Wait, pwede ka mag-shortcut eh.
Mission 3. To save invasion mission 3 times. It's part of a single faction. Saan yung may invasion dito? Shut up!
I told you.
Ano I told you?
Ulul. Invasion. Saan ka ba? Gulo mo.
Ina mo.
Saan may
Assassination,
invasion?
excavation, capture, rescue, terminate. Mob. Ano yung kailangan? Ano kailangan?
Invasion mission daw. 3 times.
Oh, invasion mission. Okay. Tapusin muna natin to. Pag may nakita akong tubig dito, matutulog na ako.
Walang tubig dyan.
Paano mo alam?
Trust. I've been to Neptune many times.
Oo, many times. Many times din may tubig.
Defend them while I extract that data.
Corpus of tech weapons. We'll need to be careful.
Darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Ano, nandun ka na?
This satellite.
That should be easier kasi you're in a PC.
Still working on it. Continue to defend. Stay focused. There's a heavy unit approaching.
Ano boss? Kumusta boss?
I'm locking in.
I'm locking in?
Kung sino naman yung nanonood, this is what I have to deal with every day. Binubuli ako. Hala yung ate ko.
What happened?
Hala yung ate ko yun.
Ano nangyari?
Yeah.
Ano nangyari?
Wait lang. Kayo ma. Nairita ako. Yan.
UFO? Wala tayong UFO. Astronaut lang meron sa atin.
UFO.
Maglaro ko.
Ano ulul?
Do your quest, bro.
Baby.
Do your quest. Do your quest.
Destroy the satellite before
Parang cultist na ewan.
Ang lupit ng mga gumagawa ng sourdough eh.
Why?
Wala lang.
Matay ulit ako. Pag ito hindi ko natapos ang ending stream.
Baby! Alam ko, hindi ganyan yung invasion mission ko nun eh.
Hindi naman invasion mission to.
What is that?
May tinatapos na ako para makapunta ng invasion mission. Wala pang invasion mission na available sa akin.
Oh. Salman, you gotta finish for the quest.
I'm ending stream. Last one, maman. Pag ako namatay, I can end stream. Yay!
Do not let him stream. No. Finish the quest. Finish the quest.
Dapat may reward.
Oh,
Oh, lol.
this is it. Defend the satellite while I extract what we need.
Bilisan mo, Loto. Sasakalin kita eh.
bilisan mo, Lotus.
Where are you? Show yourselves. There you are. Kaboom.
Shablam. Iba ata nagawa ko I think. Ata.
Na ano?
Eh.
Na ano?
Diyan sa, Neptune. Wait nga lang, tignan ko nga ulit kung paano ko na-unlock yun.
Stay focused. There's a heavy unit approaching.
Hindi ko na maalala, ang tagal na eh.
Piling ko mamamatay ulit ako.
I guess. Aray ko. Uy. Wait. Wait. May shortcut ata dyan eh. Wait lang eh. Ewan ko lang kung may shortcut papunta dyan sa junction na yan. Magantay ka! Hindi ko pa ata natatapos yung junction na yun eh. Basta... Ayan ako nga. Ay, hindi natapos ko.
Di wow. Tong ina mo.
Hindi kasi... Nag-shortcut ako. Nag-shortcut ako. Oo nga, nag-shortcut ako.
Ayan.
Anong nangyari? Paano ba ako napunta? Napunta ako sa Ares, hindi ko alam paano.
Thank you sa information.
Hindi, wait. Ayan. Paano ba ako nag-shortcut dito? Ay, hindi ako nakapag-shortcut nga.
Position has been compromised.
Wala na yung yung...
Until reinforcements arrive.
Hayap!
Gotta defend, gotta defend. May mga tao bang parating? Let's see, let's see.
Let's go on the offensive.
Let's go on the offensive. Shut up.
Wala, ano. What if nag-descend ako? Sayang, I wanted to see pa naman yung reaction mo dun sa Haro. Why would I banish the ghost?
Lalo.
Nagkaroon ng gera sa tao. Damn. May skin tone na Orakin, pero ba't blue si Rose?
Attack us and we will counter.
Okay,
Naglalakad si Idol.
I'm just really drained.
Ang lupit. Ah, shit.
Wise Arthur, the low thief shall never know the cool caress of your crown.
What the hell is a grapple? Bumubagsak.
Are you okay? There we go.
Sully these grounds with your touch, Heath, and mighty evil. Ow!
Shit.
Bakit?
Reinforcements available.
I'm doing a quest. Nasa ano ako I'm at Tau.
Objective is secure.
Oh.
Let's go home.
Yeah, nag-skip ata ako eh. Nag-ano ako ng para sa preview quest.
Oh.
Yeah.
I fucking god. Okay, let's see if...
Where's the energy
survive.
core?
It's not what I needed. Fuck.
Grabe yung ang lag niya pag sa tablet laro. Wow.
Your mission is to break into any Republic vaults and steal any intelligence files you find.
Watch for security systems. Attack us, we will counter. Warframe strong.
Be on the lookout for increased
Holy shit. Holy shit.
rather destroy their data than let it get into our hands.
Where's the dude? Where's the dude? Where's the robot? This stupid robot. Oh my god.
You're nearing the console. Trigger the alarms now, and they will start destroying the data.
Oh shit. Ang layo. Ayun.
Alarms. Data destruction is imminent. You need to hurry.
Ayun, 100. Yes.
Stay focused. There's a heavy unit approaching.
The who now?
You got it. The data is still intact.
Grabe yung music ko. Ganda ng music ng oh my god.
Looks like heavy activity ahead.
Move and strike. We have to win this.
What the hell is going on?
Target console is nearby. If you trigger the alarms now, the enemy will start destroying data. Alarms have been triggered. You need to retrieve that data before the data destruction is complete.
Ay, shit, sumobra.
Oh, fuck. Who the fuck?
Ah, what happened?
I hate spy missions.
We've lost this data. You will need to be more careful with the next vault.
Shut the Yun na nga. Oh, God.
Holy shit. What is going on here?
The target console is nearby. If you trigger the alarms now, the enemy will start destroying data. Stay focused. There is a heavy unit approaching.
Holy shit. I got stuck! Damn it, I got stuck. I should have. Ah!
Data extracted.
Yun, nakuha ko. Ay, 2 out of 3.
Get to extraction.
Oh
That's the best I
shit.
could do.
I'm gonna die.
Oh no. Oops.
No, na-stuck ako sa ano. I grappled.
Oh no.
I don't know how to get down. Ayun.
Damn, okay.
Mission complete. Excellent work, Tom.
First time. Ay, nakuha ko na ano, ng Mesor relic.
Damn.
Oh god.
Holy
My
shit. What
brain
the fuck
hurts.
is this?
I hate spy missions.
Oh hell no. I don't like this.
Ano yun?
What the fuck is this? Ang laki!
Damn, first time?
No! No! If you could see. No! No! I'm for real. I'm having a war with this shit now.
Warframes.
I hate it. I don't like it. I don't like this quest.
Warframes.
It's huge!
Warframes.
Oh shit.
Wait, what is this? Arena. The index endurance. Bro,
What the fuck is this?
my brain hurts. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna go here.
Hey! No, no, no! No! No, no, no!
No, 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 no!
No! my god, I'm so I suck at this game. How am I supposed to defeat this thing? It's huge! Like, alam mo yung ano? Alam mo yung parang, ano yun? Alam mo yung parang similar siya kay Kratos na boss.
Oo, yung mga ganun.
Yeah, parang siyang ganun. Ah!
Okay, let's see sumali. I don't know, honestly. I'm gonna be ending stream muna.
Okay.
Alrighty. It was a very fun experience. Anyways. Yeah.
I'm scared. I don't know if I could stream sa
Next time na
Discord
lang ulit
of what
mag-stream.
the fuck I'm fighting.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Hello?
Hi.